Not enough minerals. We require...
I've never seen a battle station like this. Mobius tech is something else. Only Zelnaga artifacts seem to affect it. I placed them in these trucks so they can disrupt each sector before it fires on Dominion colonies. But I'll need you to escort them. You'll find this sector just to the north of your position.
We need more minerals.
I live.
We require more minerals. No.
Your truck's cargo will neutralize this construct. Just drive it over.
We need more minerals.
Good work. It's one less construct to deal with.
Not enough Vespine. We require more Vespine gas.
You scared me. We can hear you.
More Vespine required. Not enough. Our allies are in combat. Our allies' base is
An
threatened.
apocalypse is ready for... I believe the enemy wishes to test our defenses.
Completed. Our
I am
allies'
proud.
base is threatened.
Clock's ticking, everyone.
Our forces have met the enemy in combat. More Vespine required. Evolution completed.
Well done. Construct's down. Now for the other truck. Hurry up before it goes up in flames.
Our allies are in combat. Our allies' base is threatened.
Happy to say we only have 3 sectors left.
Kill, maim, destroy.
2 spare trucks have been prepped for you. This is the next sector. I can't wait to see it go up in flames.
We have an enemy attack inbound.
Our allies are in combat.
We share your structure for a time, yes?
Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
These research outposts are transferring their data so they can build additional weapons elsewhere. If you have time to escort your truck to them, it'll disrupt the connection. Consider it a target of opportunity.
You need something?
Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. combat.
SCV ready.
Our forces have met the enemy in combat. Evolution complete.
Bad news.
My apocalypse is ready.
Yeah.
Our allies are in combat. Our forces are under attack. Evolution completed.
The enemy is targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out.
Do not be alarmed. This is only temporary.
Our forces have met the enemy and our allies are in combat.
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
Will do. Uh-huh.
Enemies gather. We must withstand them.
Combat.
Come
Our
to
SCV
battle,
is under attack. Our allies' base is
Infestation
threatened.
does have its strengths, you know.
Yes, sir.
Evolution. Our allies are in combat. Not enough minerals. Our allies are in combat.
Bad news, commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Your
Our
boss.
allies are in combat.
We hear you.
Not enough minerals.
That's one truck down. Get to safety. It's about to blow.
Our forces are under attack.
Good work. It's one less construct to deal with. There are 2 additional sectors to detonate.
I go to destroy.
My team strapped together some new trucks. Head east and you'll find the sector before you know it.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces have met the enemy.
These research outposts started transferring their weaponry data as soon as they noticed your presence here. Would you mind taking your truck over? Its artifacts will sever the connection real quick.
It seems our foes intend to attack us directly. It seems my structure requires no infestation.
Allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy.
Alexander is prepared for launch. I have been working on something.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
Bonus objective complete.
What's going on? Bad news? Yeah.
Our allies are in combat. Our forces are under attack. Evolution completed.
Double
The hard
infestation.
cluster. Our
Double
allies'
the power.
evolution
Yes.
complete.
The enemy is targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out.
Yeah.
Well done. Construct's down.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Detection.
Our forces are under attack.
Let us see what Additional infestation can do.
You scared me! You'll fall!
Our allies are in combat.
Enemy forces are moving toward our base. Alexander!
First truck's in place. Move out of the blast radius, quickly!
Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
What will be infested?
Well, there's nothing left of that sector. Now it'll take them longer to fire the battle station.
I will see the enemy in hell.
Both of your trucks have arrived. We're trusting you to get the trucks to this sector.
Met the enemy. Evolution completed.
You scared me! Bandits! Go ahead!
Our forces have met the enemy in combat. Evolution.
Joins us.
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
It seems my structure requires more infestation.
Our allies are in combat.
You scared me!
Our forces are under attack.
Good job!
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
The enemy hunts us, but they shall be the hunted.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Bad news, Commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack. Our forces have met.
Well done. Construct's down.
Our allies' base is threatened. Our forces, our allies are in combat.
Bad news, Commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Roger!
Now for the other truck.
Yeah!
Our forces are under attack.
Mission successful. Nice job, Commanders. Now I'll be forgetting all about this.